Welcome to our HQLO product customizer tutorial. Select from our shop and the product you want to customize. In this case, let me use face mask. You see the pre-existing guide. This guide will not be printed in final form. Let me show you what the buttons are used for. This is the Add Image button. Use this to load your image to your design. This is the Add Text button. Use this to add text to your design. This is Choose from Design. We have many design categories for you to use. Now, let me show you how to add a speech bubble to the face mask. There are many elements to choose from. Let me choose this design element for tutorial. You can see there are 4 buttons here. This is Duplicate button. Next, this is Delete button. And this is Rotate button. Finally, this is Uniform scaling. You can also do non-uniform scaling by dragging the edges. Next, I'd like to add an animal. Click the left pointing arrow button to go back. And then, I choose this seal from this animal category. Now, you will see that the seal is on top of the speech bubble. How do you move up the speech bubble? You can click on this layer button. In order to move the speech bubble on top of the seal, position the seal layer on top of speech bubble layer in the layers hierarchy. Now, you can see that speech bubble is on top of the seal. Let me show you another button called Center Snap. Enabling the center snap will allow the design element to snap to the grid. Next, I would like to show you the Add Text. I will type some text inside. And then I will drag the text into the speech bubble. Click this color button to change color. You can use pre-existing color palette or make your own color. And click here to change the font type. Take note, there are 3 fonts inside for Chinese characters. You can use other text buttons such as curve, underline or change size as well. Sometimes, the design is too small to work on. In this case, choose this button if you want to work on a zoom in area. You can change the zooming by dragging the slide. This button is for panning. Unselect this pan button to work on your design again. Now, unselect this zoom button as well. Let me show you this button called Magnifying Glass. It works exactly like a magnifying glass. Next button to show you is the QR code generator. Type in the text and then you position it to your preferred location. Next button is called Save Design. Saving design is important when you want to stop halfway. Let's assume that your design is reset or deleted. I clear these elements to show you how the next button works. This button is called Load Designs. Choose your previously saved design and your previous work is loaded up. There you go, it is back. Next, I would like to show you the rest of buttons. Begin with Download button. You can save your design in the format listed below. Next is Print button. You can print out directly to your printer. This is the Preview button. Lastly, this is the Start Guide Tour button. Click here to refresh your memory what the buttons are for. This concludes the tutorial to explain the functions of buttons. Are you ready to start your designing?